Technology has been on the forefront when we started the company in 2018. We wanted to make sure we could stay relevant in the changing senior scope. So we have worked really hard to make sure that everything we do is about streamlining our processes, being efficient, and making sure that the care that we provide the seniors is forefront. So when we started thinking about utilizing Caavo, we have had a long-standing issue of meeting non-emergent calls for residents' assistance. When we really look at what the residents were needing, it was things as simple as changing their television. Their volume is too high. They shut their television off. They can't transfer between a VCR and their television. So a lot of TV issues, a lot of non-emergent calls.
If someone gets into a guide function in the television system and they don't necessarily know how to get out of it, the Caavo Control Center is actually in front of the cable box. So remotely we can hop into the television and get them out of a menu that they may be in that they don't know how to get out of. And then the other functionality of that is if we know that they typically watch a Twins game, we can turn the Twins game on for them, knowing that even if they're not in their room, if their television's on, when they come back in, the TV is set to go for that Twins game that they may want to watch later that day. So
we're using some of the different tiles for the residents to request assistance. So non-emergent maintenance can come right through there. So if there's a beep or a noise in their apartment, they can request that right away just by speaking into the remote and requesting maintenance. So that allows our maintenance, goes right to the device that our maintenance director has. He can see it. He knows if he should get up there right away.
I obviously use it to turn the TV on and off, but I'm very comforted by the fact that it has the I'm OK app, because that was one of the things in this building. They used to have a different system where we put it on the door. We slid a notice on the door. But this is much easier, and so that I'm reassured by that. And then I also use it to report when I have an issue with the TV programming that comes on, so I'm able to communicate with the tech person. And then, of course, just watching TV.
The biggest piece of Caavo in this building is, obviously, we've gone through a pandemic now, and family members weren't able to come in for a very long time and see their family members. So Caavo gives them that capability to reach out to their family member and see them through the television at a whim, at their discretion, and not having our staff having to go in and set up a Zoom call or get their iPad going. We actually, in one of our other buildings, have a son that's a truck driver. So he will actually call into his mom's unit and do a call whenever he can to her and connect to her TV, and he helps her be able to use, maybe change the channel to a different channel to turn her TV on. And they do video calls whenever he has that capability, whenever he's not driving, because he goes a longer span of time without seeing her, and this allows him to be able to still communicate with his mom.
Be able to just call their mom and be right there face to face with them on a phone call. That's priceless. That's, you know, who wouldn't want that? It's streamlined, it's easy to use. They're able to easily connect with their family member for anything. And I think that sells itself and sets us apart from anyone else that doesn't have this product.